Have you noticed the viral trend of relaxing short-form videos with millions of views? These videos are incredibly easy to make and can be done in under a minute. You've probably seen them before, showcasing different bedroom or office designs, followed by stunning images. With new channels growing at a rapid pace, there's no better time to start your own faceless YouTube channel, TikTok account, or Instagram page. These videos are catchy, featuring a stop-motion effect and a thought-provoking question: which bedroom or office would you pick? Accompanied by compelling visuals. Looking to create quick and captivating videos? Try this simple and effective method. Start by posing a catchy and straightforward question against a cinematic backdrop. Then, provide viewers with a few answer options that include high-quality images and soothing background music. This type of video content is highly engaging and encourages viewers to share their thoughts in the comment section. This tutorial teaches you where to find eye-catching stock photos and videos, and even how to add some soothing background tunes without fear of copyright infringement. You'll also learn to combine everything together with a free video editing app, plus a little bonus surprise. Don't forget to stick around until the end to catch it. Come up with a simple yet irresistible question that has everybody itching to answer. Let's dive in. The first step in finding the perfect photos or videos for your project is to establish what you are looking for. In this case, let's focus on choosing a vacation destination for a couple. To begin, consider what your significant other would suggest for your next getaway. A romantic location, such as a tropical beach in a foreign country, provides a perfect setting for couples to relax and enjoy each other's company. After deciding on the options for your viewers, the next step is to add images or videos that capture their interest. For instance, if you're creating a YouTube short on breathtaking tourist spots, you'll need to browse through various photos of scenic locations. In this case, we'll be selecting 4 different locations, each with 2 unique images, totaling 8. While there are plenty of options out there, we'll be using Pinterest to source our images, as it's a free app that offers a plethora of high-quality photos. However, keep in mind that not all images on Pinterest are free of copyright restrictions. Fortunately, I have a solution to this issue. Simply sign up or log in to pinterest.com, search for your desired images, and follow my instructions for using them without any copyright infringement. To search for Bali-style Santorini houses and Santorini images on Pinterest, select the photo and save it by clicking Write and Save Image. To avoid copyright claims, edit the images using Canva, a powerful graphic design tool that produces high-quality outputs. Create a design by signing up on Canva using your email, and search for YouTube Shorts to find a short background video. Canva offers free stock photos and videos for use, or with a pro plan. For today's project, let's stick to the free resources. Here's what we need: a stunning background video. I suggest a table set up on a beach during sunset. Once you've downloaded the images from Pinterest, add them to the timeline below. To give them a cohesive look, apply the same filter to each image. When you're finished, download each image individually by clicking on Share and then Download. Remember to save the first one as an MP4 file, while the rest should be saved as PNG. The next step: perfect background music for your project to start. Head over to YouTube and browse through their extensive selection of background music. If you're concerned about copyright issues, I recommend checking out the No Copyright Background Music channel. They have a vast library of options to choose from. Remember to credit the owner of the music by following their instructions. For our project, I've chosen Unfaced by Wallen. Simply click on the link found in their video description and then click Download to get started. Okay, we're down to the last part to download CapCut, a free video editing app. You can find the download link in the video description. Click on New Project and import the short video and images that you downloaded from Canva. Import your background music. Add your audio to the timeline first, making sure to time the drop or climax of the music correctly. For the short video, adjust the duration to last for 4 seconds before the drop of the music. Add the images one at a time and set their duration to match the scene and the music. Add captions for each scene or image to avoid copyright claims and ensure fair use. Make sure to adjust the duration of the captions so that they cover 2 images or scenes. Once you are satisfied with the video, click Export and name the file for upload. Bonus: Looking for inspiration for your next video? Take a screenshot or pause the video to see a list of other topics or questions that you can use to create engaging content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on new and simple ways to make money online. Thanks for watching.